everyone, Jana here from Ballerinas by Night. I had no intention of filming anything today, but I'm editing this video, this life update video from Abby. She sent me this footage like a couple weeks ago and I'm, just now getting around to editing it because hashtag adult life. Oh my gosh, cat. But anyway, I'm editing this footage and I just started bawling. I was just crying out of happiness, but she just had some really sweet things to say about me and I had no idea she was filming this. And anyway, let me just share what she said.
Also, can we just give a shout out to Jana for all the amazing things she has put on the Discount Dance Instagram the other day. I just feel like Jana's just such a very beloved figure and it makes me so happy that she's just like this beacon of light in the adult ballet community. And obviously I think everybody should kind of aspire to be Jana. I know I do.
Guys, I really needed to hear that. I've had a really kind of rough week. Just a lot of personal stuff related to business things, not Ballerinas by Night business things. But it's been very hard, a dynamic with my husband's business and things within that, and I don't want to get into details because it's not appropriate and I don't want to get into it. But I've just been having a really hard time, basically this past year. I don't know, I don't even know how to get into it, but I wasn't expecting that in that video and it just really, I love you, Abby, thank you. So I'll just use that chance to plug this video if you haven't seen Abby's life update video. Click here to watch it, or is it here? I'm never gonna figure this out. So I'm just gonna keep rolling with this since I'm filming this right now. I'm gonna go take class tonight. This is my first class of the fall season that's starting. I usually don't go, this is a Wednesday. I usually don't go on Wednesday nights. So I've been going Tuesday nights for the past 13 years or whatever. But I feel like I need to switch it up. I just feel like I need something new, So this is a class I don't usually take. It's a beginner/intermediate class. I think it's definitely more on the intermediate side, but I usually take advanced class. So I don't know, I'm looking forward to just a different class environment, maybe meet some different people and be able to hopefully fit in 2 classes a week again. I've been going once a week for the past year almost, and this summer it's been very sporadic. My classes, I've probably been to 5 classes all summer. So kind of a fresh start feeling. I'm hoping to then get to class Monday afternoons with Alvin and then do this Wednesday night class with, I don't know who's teaching this class tonight, but I'm hoping that will be my routine since I usually can't take class Thursday nights. And so if I only go Tuesday nights, it makes it really hard to find a second day to fit in class without going back-to-back days, which my body can't handle the back-to-back class days anymore. So yeah, I'm looking forward to class tonight. I need it just because I want to go to class. I need it to mentally escape everything else that's going on. I did go to class last week. I think I posted about this on Instagram that Kristen and I came for our usual Tuesday night class, but they had canceled it last week and we didn't know about it, so we showed up and they felt bad, and so they had a spare studio and let us just go in and give ourselves class, which I was so appreciative for. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we totally sometimes we get together for class and we just end up stretching and chatting, but we worked for 2 hours basically. Did a full class and then put on point shoes and worked on some strengthening stuff. I tried to play around doing that Walpurgis knot variation that I'm trying to teach myself. I don't know why I thought that doing that variation on point might be an attainable thing, but oh, I was delusional to think that. It's fun to try it out, but it could be a goal, but I think getting through it on demi point will be satisfying enough. But yeah, Kristen and I both want to start putting on the point shoes at the end of, like, after class is over, and do like 15 minutes of just strengthening something just to get the shoes back on, get the feet working, get those muscles firing. So we'll see if I can make that happen. In other news, I guess I can go ahead and update you guys. So in a month, I'll be in New York. I'm gonna go for 2 weeks by myself, and I will obviously like visit with my family, see my family, and hang out with my family that's in Manhattan. But I've gotten an Airbnb, so I'm gonna stay by myself this time. I've never done that in New York, so I always have family to stay with. So I'm really excited about that. It's like an adventure for me, like a personal thing I need to do. Also because like there's tons of dance classes I can take while I'm there. Like that's a huge thing. But you know, I still live in the same city that I grew up in. We moved here when I was 1, and so, you know, I never moved away because it never was like the right, I was always too scared to move away, and then when it was, and then when I wanted to do it, like there wasn't really an opportunity to do that. So yeah, and I've been saying for years that I want to be able to go to New York and spend more time there instead of like this like really jam-packed like few days of visiting. I want to just have more time to go at a slower pace and enjoy some things. The past couple years that I've been to New York and I try to do the run around and do everything, it's too exhausting for me now. I just don't have the energy to do it. So I can't wait to just have some more time to not have to do as much in a short amount of time. So I want to share that journey. I don't know if I'm gonna do various vlogs or videos, or maybe just blog about it. I don't really know how I want to share it yet. But I do want to share that with you guys. A lot of that trip is to be able to spend more time focusing on ballet stuff and photography stuff. So I can't wait, but there's a whole lot of stuff I gotta get done and traveling that's happening between now and then. So a lot on my plate, and I don't have a whole lot of time to think about it before I get there. So it's just gonna kind of happen. So I'm gonna get back to my edit. I want to get that done. Abby's video is gonna go up on Sunday, which this video will go up after this. So that video is already live if you haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna go make some dinner. I don't know why you guys don't care about this. Anyway, thanks for hanging in this long to this impromptu video if you're still here. Appreciate you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.